Ryder has the hiccups, but he's still in a very good mood. Listen how cute. Oh. Who's that pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Give Mama kisses. Can I send neck kisses? Here we go, here we go. No? Oh, Mama gonna get belly kisses? Still looking at those hats. This is different hats this time. Still, either way, baby boy loves the hats. And Daddy's little sidekick. Cutest sneeze ever.